Hi David, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make my cereal pizza. It will be a quick, delicate process, but first before we do anything else, I have to go to my kitchen and put my apron on, so I'll see you there.
We're in landscape, let's get to cooking.
Now, what you want to do is you have your mass here, you're going to want to peel it open. If I can, all right, there we go. You're going to want to peel it open to the best of your ability. I'm going to use a scissors or a knife to make your life a little less complicated. Now you can just unwrap it and take the mess out. Make sure you unwrap it fully. You want to get all of that mess out of the thing. And there we got our mess. I'm gonna expand it out. Make sure you get it all out of there. You know what I'm saying? Now what you want to do is you want to add a little butter around the base so that it doesn't stick. Because if it sticks, it's going to be real annoying to get off. So you want to just make sure you get as much butter as you can in there. Did you know that in today's day and age, over 350 slices of pizza are eaten in the United States? You're gonna get yourself a nice scoop of that Nutella. Now, once you're done spreading all the Nutella around the pizza, or pizza dough, if you want to get classy, you're gonna want to come over here to your oven. You're gonna want to press bake, and then 3, 7, 5, start. You're gonna want to preheat the oven so that way when you put the pizza in, it's already nice and warm so that it can cook more efficiently. It's always good to make sure every now and then to open this bad boy up and make sure your pizza ain't burnt. As you can see, mine ain't burnt. It's looking scrumptious. Cannot wait to eat it. That smells delicious. Damn. And I believe that now, after 20 minutes, our pizza's finally ready. I'm gonna put my hand in there. I'm gonna reach in. I'm gonna grab this. It's hot. God, that's hot. Ooh, ooh. Make sure you put on gloves, because you will burn your hands. Now, once your pizza's finally out, you're gonna want to take out the cereal, one of the key ingredients of this meal. And you're gonna want to just sprinkle a little on that. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get a nice spread of the cereal on there. You love to see it. And you can use one cereal, but I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna put some Fruity Pebbles and some Frosted Flakes up in there as well. Really up my cholesterol. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you mix it around. Don't touch the pizza though, because you will burn your hand. And that looks pretty good. Did you know that the first pizza was ordered in 1994 and it's the first ever documented purchase of a pizza?